Howdy, partners! Get ready for a flavor fiesta! We're about to embark on a culinary adventure to the heart of Mexico with a recipe that's close to my heart and my stomach. Tacos al pastor. Imagine tender, juicy pork, marinated in a symphony of spices, piled high on warm tortillas, and topped with the bright tang of pineapple. Is your mouth watering yet? Let's get cooking! Before we fire up the grill, let's round up our ingredients. This is where the magic begins, folks. Don't worry, this ain't no grocery store scavenger hunt. We've got everything you need right here. We're keeping it simple and delicious. No need to overcomplicate things when the basics are this good. First up, pork shoulder, about 2 pounds. Perfect for feeding a hungry crowd. This cut is juicy and flavorful, ideal for our tacos al pastor. Next, we have achiote paste. This magical ingredient gives the pork that beautiful red color and earthy flavor. It's a must-have for authentic tacos al pastor. Pineapple juice adds a touch of sweetness and helps tenderize the meat. This tropical twist is what makes our tacos stand out. Spices. We're talking cumin, oregano, chili powder, the holy trinity of Mexican flavor. These spices bring warmth and depth to our dish. Garlic and onion, because every good recipe needs a little something to make it sing. These aromatics add a robust base to our marinade. Your favorite tortillas, corn or flour, whatever tickles your fancy. These are the vessels that will carry all our delicious ingredients. Toppings. Think cilantro, onions, salsa, and of course more pineapple. These fresh toppings add the final touch, bringing brightness and crunch to every bite. Now that we've gathered all our taco treasures, we're ready to get cooking. Stay tuned as we transform these simple ingredients into a mouth-watering feast. Now comes the fun part. This is where the magic happens, and you get to transform these humble ingredients into something truly extraordinary. Let's take these simple yet vibrant ingredients and turn them into a culinary masterpiece that will impress anyone lucky enough to taste it. First, we need to prepare our marinade. In a bowl, mix together your achiote paste, pineapple juice, spices, garlic, and onion. This combination of flavors is what gives al pastor its signature taste. Make sure that pork shoulder gets a nice, even coating of that flavorful marinade. You want every inch of the meat to be infused with these delicious flavors. Now pop it in the fridge and let it soak up all those delicious flavors for at least a few hours, or even better, overnight. This step is crucial as it allows the meat to tenderize and absorb all the spices and juices. Second, it's time to get your grill ready. Fire up your grill to medium heat. You want a steady, even heat to ensure the pork cooks perfectly. We're looking for nice, even cooking here. The goal is to achieve a beautiful caramelization on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Place that marinated pork shoulder on the grill and let it work its magic for about an hour, flipping it every now and then to get all sides nice and caramelized. This process will give the pork a wonderful smoky flavor. Third, once the pork is cooked through, take it off the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it even more flavorful. Then, grab your sharpest knife and slice that beautiful pork into thin, flavorful strips. The thinner the slices, the better the texture and taste. Finally, while your pork is resting, warm up your tortillas on the grill for a few seconds on each side. This step is quick but essential. This gives them a nice smoky flavor and makes them pliable for folding. A warm tortilla is the perfect vessel for your delicious al pastor. Now it's time to assemble your tacos. Place a generous amount of the sliced pork onto each tortilla. Top with fresh pineapple, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. The combination of flavors will be absolutely mouth-watering. Take a bite and savor the explosion of flavors. You've just created an al pastor masterpiece that will delight your taste buds and impress your guests. Enjoy! Want to take your tacos from good to oh my stars, these are amazing? Well, you're in the right place. Tacos are a beloved dish, but with a few simple tweaks, you can elevate them to a whole new level of deliciousness. Here are a few tricks of the trade that will make your tacos unforgettable. Pineapple power. Grill some pineapple slices alongside your pork. This might sound unusual, but trust us, it's a game changer. The heat caramelizes the sugars, creating a sweet and tangy flavor that complements the savory pork perfectly. The contrast of flavors will surprise and delight your taste buds. Salsa sensations. Don't be shy with the salsa. There are so many varieties to choose from, whether you like it mild, medium, or hot. A dollop of your favorite salsa adds a burst of flavor and heat to every bite. Experiment with different types to find your perfect match. Fresh is best. Top your tacos with chopped cilantro and onions for a refreshing crunch. These fresh ingredients add a layer of texture and a burst of freshness that can't be beat. Lime squeeze. A squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens up all the flavors and adds a touch of acidity. This simple step can make a huge difference, bringing all the elements together in perfect harmony. Now comes the best part, assembly. Grab a warm tortilla, pile it high with that juicy, flavorful pork, and top it with your favorite fixins. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. Tacos are best enjoyed with friends and family, so gather your loved ones, pour yourself some ice-cold drinks, and dig into a plate of these irresistible tacos al pastor. Y'all come back now, you hear?